all the way forward. Please stare at the fill and all available space you see in front of you.
And now, please step forward into the Welcome Center, making room for everyone. Thank you.
It's happening, it's barking, it's doing all the things. Mel, he's probably drinking, you know?
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Real, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Wait for the doors to fully open.
Where'd Dan go?
Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, will be activated so you can experience it for yourselves. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Interior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Then who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
Watching terrors for dogs.
I'm not crazy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where? Some kind of mute jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Time why?
To erase the error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? We're getting so vague.
The jump point is closing.
Hey, what do we do? You know according to call them back. Then whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait,
What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's King. Where's this King?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this. We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. This plan is making me
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow the fleet and we get our power.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well?
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex.
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
Attention.
Nova team, we can stop blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they're dressed?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Thank you for watching. Please be kind and subscribe for more great videos. Let us know in comments on your favorite park and rides.